And you know, when I was a kid, I did, which I wasn't a little kid, I was a teenager, but I did some stuff just out of spite when I built stuff. Because I was thinking in my mind, well, I want this to be really hard for the next guy that comes. But little did I know that that next guy was going to be 40-year-old me. Should think about that one, guys. All right, she's almost free. Well, that's a mighty timber there, wasn't it?
Maybe in its day it was.
Roll that back. Roll that back up here. This wire is pretty much worthless, you know.
Have to have new wire anyway.
And we're just going to tappity-tap this a little bit.
Well, I got me a fine wife, I got me a fiddle. When the sun's coming up, I got cakes on a griddle. Life ain't nothing but
Yep, I heard that crack.
That's why we're getting these instead of these. But these will make nice flower pots. I'll show you guys how to do that too. Or planters. Planters, something like that.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. How wide are you wanting your door? I'm assuming you're wanting your door right here, right?
Yeah, you don't want it too wide.
It's 2 foot. What do I do with the old door? Oh, I don't even need that. I can just measure right here. See what it was. Looks like I put it 2.5 feet.
That's about right.
2.5 foot door.
Yeah, that's about right.
Well, do you think we'll have anybody that's wider than this coming over?
No.
Then that should be plenty then, right?
Mm-hmm.
no, 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 no!
Oh, it'd been so long, guys, since I had bought a post hole digger. I've actually never bought a post hole digger. Those other ones were my father's. Apparently, they make them now with measurements right here, so you don't have to do like I was doing with the tape measure. How cool is that? I thought that was cool.
Yeah, it is pretty cool.
Let's move this here.
Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I wouldn't trade my life for diamonds or jewels. I never was one of them money-grabbing fools. Rather have my fiddle and my farming too.
It's almost like a little sword, ain't it?
Pretty, pretty big timber.
Okay, we was going, what, 30 inches, right?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, it's night and day, them postal diggers and these.
Is it easier?
Yeah, much easier.
Thank God I'm a country boy. Yeah, city folks driving a black limousine. A lot of sad people thinking that's a mighty keen. Son, let me tell you now exactly what I mean. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I got me a fine wife. I got me
Well, how deep is it so far?
Not deep enough yet. I need a little block. I'll show you why.
The sun's coming up, I got cakes on a griddle. Life ain't nothing but a funny, funny riddle.
I know what you're thinking. What in the world does he need that for? See how stuck that is?
Mm-hmm.
Wow!
When the work's all done and the sunset low, I'll pull out my fiddle and I'll rosin with the bow. The kids are
About 26.
kind of low. Thank God I'm a country boy. I could play Sally good all day if I could, but the Lord and my wife wouldn't take it very good. So I fiddle when I can and I work when I should. Thank God I'm a country boy.
Yep, right at 30. Want to come see? I just used my hand to take a straight over. Might be a ½ inch longer. See?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, you guys want to come with me to get a board or a pole? Hey, come here and I'll show you guys how my daddy taught me to stack wood. I've already stacked it, obviously. But you put down your box, and then you lay a layer long ways and make sure there's a gap in between it. That way when they get wet, they can dry. And then if you need another layer, just find some whatever boards. Doesn't have to be anything big. Lay 2 or 3 here, long ways, and start your next row. That's all there is to it. That's how Dad taught me to stack wood.
Well, I got me a fine wife, I got me old table. When the sun's coming up, I put cakes on the griddle. Life ain't nothing but a funny, funny riddle. Thank God I'm a country boy.
So I'm deciding which end to put into the hole. I think we ought to put that in the hole. You know why I think that?
Is there a knot?
Yes. Very good. See that great big humongous knot right there? We don't want that falling out up here. Which, this other side's got knots in it too, but it's not like that big.
That's profound.
Yeah, don't know that. Yeah, that one's not as bad either.
What about that one? Turn it. What about that one?
Well, that one's above 30 inches anyway. So even if we put this end in, that would still stick out, I believe.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I can tell by looking
I
at
forgot
it.
my marker.
We have to go get the marker.
Yep. All right. Let's measure this up here. 2.5 feet, 30 inches. Get the square.
God, I'm a country boy. I played Sally Goodens all day if I could, but the Lord and my wife wouldn't take it very good. So I fiddle when I can and work when I should. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I got me a fine wife, I got me old fiddle. When the sun's coming up, I got cakes on the griddle. Life ain't nothing but a funny, funny riddle. Thank God I'm a country boy. Woo!
I always do that. That way I don't forget. Which, I mean, it'd be hard to forget on this one because it's so long one way and short the other. It's kind of a tradition of mine.
Well, that's an easy way to figure it out. Just in case, you never know about things.
It's true.
You need me to set the camera up?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, because we're going to have to put the dirt and level it out.
Well, I wouldn't trade my life for diamonds or jewels. I never was one of them money-hungry fools. I'd rather have a fiddle and my farming tools. Thank God I'm a country boy. Yeah, city folks driving in a black limousine.
Put some dirt around it. It's about as level as it's going to get if you can get it around it.
I'm still working on it.
Wait a second, let's move it a little bit. Okay, try it right there, go ahead.
That's a little damp, man.
Yep. All right, it's level. Now we're going to take the shovel handle part and tamp it in. Okay, yeah, it's still level. She's good. Whoops.
You lost your level.
Let's see if she's still level, which she should be. It should be level. Is it level? The dot should be in between them lines.
It is, it's perfect.
Okay, let's check this. Yep, it's level there too. Come show our friends.
Yep, it's level there too.
Good enough for a chicken lot anyway.
Well, you're kind of a perfectionist anyway. It wouldn't matter if you were a little off on it.
All right.
I mean,
Let's go ahead and cut it there for a minute.